Let's have some fun and do a Caprese salad, Indian style. Sounds crazy, right? But it is really, really good. This is a mashup you're going to love. The first twist is replacing classic oil and vinegar with a unique Indian style tamarind chutney dressing. Start by toasting fennel seed. Set this aside, allow it to cool to room temperature, and then grind in a spice grinder. Next, heat the oil in a heavy bottom sauce pot. Add the cinnamon stick and bay leaf. When the bay leaf starts to turn brown, add your mustard seed. And then immediately the ginger. Add tamarind concentrate. Then raisins, apple cider vinegar, and applesauce. And our fennel seed. Simmer for about 10 minutes, turn the heat off, and let cool. Let's get started on making our salad. Season the tomatoes and mozzarella with salt and pepper. Throw in some cashews, toss it all around, and let's get this party started. Add our tomato mix to fresh greens, and now one more Indian twist. Puff basmati rice instead of croutons. It will add texture and crunch. The tamarind chutney dressing has cooled. Remove the bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Now, this is the one time you don't want to use extra virgin olive oil. While it's traditional Caprese salad, it would compete with our Indian flavors. So stick with vegetable oil. And there you have it, a Caprese salad with an Indian twist. Give it a try. Delicioso.